So here we have the Volkswagen Golf GTD on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see that it's a 3-door car with those black alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot, and then we'll work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. So on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 91,869. Above that, we have a trip computer. You can change the information displayed in there. We're on the driving data menu at the moment. So lots of bits of vehicle information, including, if we go back round to it again, the fact that you can have, should you wish to, a digital readout for the speedometer displayed up there. There are other menus available to you as well. So assist systems, navigation, audio, your telephone, vehicle status, lap timer, and back around to where we started. And the buttons that I was using to do that are on the steering wheel just here. We have stereo controls here, which continue on the left-hand side. We have cruise control. Once you set cruise control on, you can hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. Just behind the steering wheel, we have the minus and plus pedals there so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then over in the center, we have the main touchscreen for the car. You have a few buttons down the right and left-hand sides, but essentially it becomes touchscreen from there. As you can see, we have satellite navigation. When it comes to music, we've got the radio, of course. This car has got DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Hit that button just there and you'll see the different ways in which you can listen to your music. They include Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly once you pair your phone, which is done by hitting the phone button, and then you'd hit find telephone and follow those instructions from there. Working our way down, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed, you can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. This button will turn your air conditioning on and off. It's on at the moment where that light is showing, so it's off, back on again, or hit auto. In doing so, you can hear it. The car will take control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will override auto straight away again and allow you to put it back on your own settings. We have some storage that opens up just here. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn our parking sensors on and off. We can turn our traction control on and off. That one turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. And you can change the driving mode of the car. So you're able to put it into comfort, normal, sport, eco, or individual. And under individual, you can customize the settings that you see being shown on the screen just there. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.